Alright, so here's our next lesson in the Transportation Education Kit from Acebot. So what we have done is we have added the countdown timer and we've added the traffic lights. So we've still got the LCD display at the bottom, which is an add-on of mine. So there's information displayed there, linked over here on the I²C bus. So the 4-pin connectors is I²C bus. Okay. The street light is still there and it still works. So when I cover it, you can see that value change and the output to the LED change. So when I turn out the lights, there you can see the street light coming on, like so. Very good. There's your street light off again. So the code is always in a pinned comment. This is fairly straightforward to do. It is the library's TM1650.h for the 7-segment display. Alright, so you just find that in the Arduino repository, download the zip file and add it as a zip file, and that works. So if you've been paying attention, there's something that I did wrong in the first lesson that I published, and I've done something different in this lesson. So if you're paying attention, maybe you can spot the difference, see what's going on. I'll give you a little clue. I've switched things around. So there's something out of place in lesson 1, and in this lesson there's also something out of place. So see if you can find that, then leave me a comment. A little Easter egg in there. The one in lesson 1 was done inadvertently, and now when I was putting this one together I spotted the problem and I thought, let's have a little bit of fun with this. So there's an Easter egg. See if you can spot what I've done there. So that's it. Pretty much a short lesson, and it was straightforward. We are progressing nicely with these lessons, having fun with them. So there you have it. Your traffic light, and normally they're vertical, but yeah, interesting. Ours are sideways for our lessons, but that's not it. That's not what you have to look for in this lesson. But I'm not going to give you any clues. You need to find it. So what I've done in the code is I've added a 1-second delay at the bottom of the code, otherwise this flickers. So even when I turn the lights out, there's a 1-second delay on the street light coming on. It was a quick and dirty fix to fix the flickering of the 7-segment display, but that's alright. I wasn't too concerned about going into the code and doing a timer to do a 1-second update for that, which one can do. That's a more elegant solution. But for simplicity, I'll just use the 1-second delay. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Take care, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.